What go on, people. Ah boy, look at it.
It's a rough year last year, but we have to start this year better.
Yeah man, it was a rough year last year for real. But we have to kick off that area. Aye. Alright. So people, guess what? We are jump out the island today now. But yeah, what no, we're not telling you what we are going to eat, you know. You understand? We're not telling you what we are going to eat, so yeah, we are surprised. We'll keep that in our part of the mind and think about it. Yeah. Then we JR there, NEC there, and the bad driver there.
Yeah, left over airport.
Woody. Yeah, you take care of left over airport, you know what I mean? So, yeah, what? Just stay tuned, we'll show you what time it is. We're on our way to the airport. Yeah, man, we're there on the Palestinos right now. Stay tuned. Yeah, my peeps over there. Yeah, my peeps over there. Inside. One bag of people, one bag of crowd right now. I guess a different place around this thing. Anyways, stay tuned, my people, guys. Check in and everything, alright? Yeah, my peeps, so we're there. Check in. wait for our flight and we'll go to the gate. Our time. Yeah, 1:30. Flight, so. Bill, I want to spot you now. So, stay tuned for me.
So we're here for talking on carry-on bags and customizing D, E, and F. If you have this group.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. This information is for passengers checked in on our next flight DM301 with service to Santo Domingo. At this time, all passengers are being asked to check safety
Yeah, my
belt
people,
before
so
boarding again at
we're in a waiting area now at lunch.
Check your bags.
Waiting on our flight.
If you have a connection, check bags need to
Everything
be
coming
picked up
down.
before going to customs. Remember to remove any passports, travel. You can reactivate your ticket and we will assist you shortly.
Outside. So we are waiting for the flight now. It's about for the flight. Full of flight though. Full of flight. The one CG them does arrive. So see you here. If you ever reach before them, come with it. In front of them.
What is that, yes? Yes. Nobody's just
Every time I'm sleeping.
Once again, ladies and gentlemen, Captain Medina is at command.
Prepare for takeoff. Big up yourself, first boy.
Barbados, ladies.
Yeah, my people, so we're there. Yeah, man, just touched on my people. Wait for it. Anytime, JR. I actually come up on the right now. So we're waiting for anytime, JR. Right? Touched up. Smooth to the know with them. Smooth to the know with them. Touched up. I'll wait for anytime. Yeah. Boy, you know what the thing go. You got it down, back each and base block up and all of them stuff. So stay tuned with people. If you're not subscribers yet, make sure you guys subscribe. Understand? Stay tuned to the channel. We're going to do. We're going with a bag of things over here, so stay tuned. Yeah, carry on the ride through the journey. Understand? So stick and stay, my people. Yes, they are my peeps. Yeah. Just touched up and see JR there. Anything down there. Alright.
I don't know. Hey, people.
Yeah, my people, whole team out. Yeah, man, whole team out, man. Confirm everything. You know? Everything confirmed.
Oh. Alright, people, we reach. We lost, eh? Journey.
Everything up, my people. Outside with it.
Without fear. Yes, we did it.
Yeah. Your main man. See it there.
Alright, people, guess
Now to reach, you know, what time I know?
After 8.
After 8, bro, G.
8:22.
Yeah, man, so we're head to where we're staying.